Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Venmo for bank transfer step by step clearly. Open the Venmo application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Payment Methods option. Select Payment Methods to view your linked bank accounts and cards. Tap on Add Bank or Card. Choose Bank from the options presented. You will have 2 choices: to link your bank using your bank account's routing and account numbers, or to log in through your bank's online portal. If you choose to link manually, input your bank's routing number and your account number in the provided fields. Double-check the information for accuracy. Next, tap Add Bank. Once done, Venmo will initiate a verification process. Keep an eye on your bank account for small verification deposits from Venmo. These deposits usually take 1 to 3 business days to appear. After the deposits are received, open the Venmo app again. Navigate back to the Payment Methods section. Select your newly added bank account for verification. Enter the amounts of the 2 small deposits you received. Once the amounts are correctly input, tap Verify. If successful, your bank account will be linked and authenticated. Now you can easily transfer funds to and from your bank account using Venmo. Always ensure your app is updated to avoid any authentication issues. If you face any problems, check Venmo's Help Center for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable 2-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.